Hello, everybody. This is Jeff. Let me know if you hear me well. We're getting ready to start together. So this is a quick start meeting. So I want everybody to follow certain steps, and at the end we should escape to set up a campaign. So let me know if you want to participate in the steps we are doing. Enter yes, or if you say, I only want to listen, and then I know you are a listener, not a doer. So who wants to share the email address which we're going to use as example? Okay, I got an email. Let me log in. Okay. So you should be able to see my screen now. No? I got the email. So the first thing I want you to do is log in. Enter login if you are logged in. Enter login if you have logged in. That could crash the system. I did that at one time earlier, so it should not do that, but it's possible. If you cannot find the login, then go to this page. Where's the chat? I will put it in the chat. And then you see this widget, and then send me text message. I need login. Or send me support, take it to support@jackhopman.com. Oh, no, support@instantreply.com and ask for the login. Okay? I need you to log in. I'll be able to log in. Okay? Then the first tab, you go to account, my account. Account, my account. I need you to fill out this in the first name, the last name, the company name. If you don't have a company name, just use your last name or something like that. Something like that to fill out the company name, email address, okay? And then enter a phone number. Now, if the country is not showing to your visit, select others, okay? Other country, okay? Other country. So if you go to account, my account, enter done. If you fill out my account, this is a simple thing. Everybody can do it, correct? First name, last name, company name, email address, PayPal email address. Huh? Should be here, and then time zone. The time zone not really make too much difference. It's good to have. It's not the end of the world. Which email? I don't care which email you want. Just fill out an email. Just your. Okay, enter done. Okay, go to account, my account. Okay, I can wait 2 minutes. I just want you to do it. The address, should I get an USA address? I would get a USA tracking number because that kind of makes it easy for prospecting. The address is not so important. The address will show kind of in the unsubscribe section. I don't think people will look at that closely. So enter help if you need help with my account section. Enter help. Okay, Nikki, where do you need help with? Use your mobile number, find this page. Okay, account, my account. Account, my account. On the right top, account, my account. I can't find your login. Then send an email to support@instreply and we will get you the login. Mark, we will come in another session. Okay? This will be a replay. We will record this, but I want everybody kind of feel with me. Mary, send a support ticket for that. I cannot handle this in this training, but we can do it. Okay? You can use your USA address. Yes. Okay? So enter help if you still need help and I did not answer your question. So it's either help or done. Two options you have now with this screen, help or done. Okay, I get a lot of dones. Thank you, thank you. But don't be shy if you need help and you feel I need to help you. Can we make up a company name? Yes, use your last name, something like that. Help ask about no mobile. Okay, fill out your landline number. Okay, if you don't have a mobile, then yeah, we can do both. Okay, got him. Good. Very good, Marie. Very good. Now go to account, my account, Marie. Count my account. So the account section get used to order the tracking number and get used for information under unsubscribe link. Not, now it's not not really serious. If you do not have a mobile, you can enter your landline number, but mobile number is better. Okay, but that's plan B. Okay. Everybody good with me? Account, my account, and fill out basic information. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do, and I think this is done here. When you click on save, this is done. Okay, this is done, but we can improve on it. Okay, this is done, but we can improve on it. It will ask for a domain name. Okay, it will ask for a domain name. Move you guys get that screen that it asks for a domain name. We'll enter domain if it asks for you to fill out a domain name. And I need your email address so I can show that screen because I cannot get that screen back. Okay. I need just need an example. I cannot do this because I don't have. Okay. Okay, thank you. I need, I'm going to log in your account for a second. Okay. Nothing serious for a second. Because I need that screen. That's all what I need for now. Okay. Company. Okay. You have a domain. Hard order numbers, but you have a domain. Okay. When you don't have a domain, it will show here order domain. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. We'll try that. Okay. Go to that pencil in the top. Okay. Order domain. Oh, you have so many. What is your first one? Okay. You should only have one. Hey, you are active, but you didn't order domain name. It will show this button or the domain name screen. Click on it. Click on it. Okay. Then we can do all very sophisticated and think a week on it. Okay. So if you have an idea about your domain name, that is fine. Okay. I see many good, great domain names. But if you are to come up with a good domain name, okay, use your last name and then ertcusa.com, okay, or your business name and ertc.com. Okay, make that sense? Everybody okay with deciding on domain name. Okay, that is the simple step. Is first name okay? Yes, first name okay, but I like last name because the email will be first name at last name ertcusa.com. You get the trick? So first name at last name ertcusa.com. Okay, you see the trick? So that becomes personalized and it becomes more your company. Huh? Make that sense? So if you have a domain name, don't worry about this, okay? Don't worry about it. Your domain name is fine. But if you need ID, if you need an ID and they cannot decide on domain name, here is an ID. Last name, here to see user. Okay, here we go again. Who needs help with domain name? Say help. Or if you say done, enter done. Yeah, you cannot order the same domain name like your prospecting website, what you got from the E to C. You will forward to it. Okay, you will forward it. Okay, if you click on help, like our webinar, can you specify which help you need? No. Do not change your existing domain name. It's good. Okay, it is good. The domain is up to $15 free. If you have a domain name, okay. If you have a domain name, let's go support Google Doc. And let's see if Google Docs. Okay, click on domain name. Okay. If you already have a domain name and it does not have a website, update the name server that domain to. Okay, now I need to check on my phone because I have that somewhere on my phone. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, I got it. To DNS1 at instantreply.com and DNS2 at instantreply.com. Okay, and submit support ticket and send an email to support at instantreply.com. So we will add it. Okay, the knowledge is important. Okay, because otherwise your website will stop working. Now, if you have a website on it, then order a new domain name and forward it. If you have ERTC website, order a new domain which will get used for your dedicated email server and enter and forward it, and you can forward that domain to your existing ERTC website. Okay. Oh, I did wrong. Thank you. It's not DNS at, but DNS. Thank you. Okay, DNS1 and the. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So, did I spell domain wrong? If you already have a domain name and it does not have a website, Either order a new domain which get used for your dedicated server and forward that domain to your accessing each server. Okay. Does that clear up? We all have an EC landing page. Is this the EC website, your firm? Yeah. So what you do is, so I will get back to it in a second, okay? So now we go back to this screen again. Enter done if you order domain name. Enter if you still need help with your domain name. Okay. Brandon, can you detail your help? Okay. Can you detail your help, Brandon? I choose one, but I want to delete it and choose a different one. Can I do that? Okay. I will show you in a sec. You can do it, but you have to pay for you only get one for free. Mary, can you please see the question above? I can, I do my best, but it's easier when you ask it again. Okay. I think this covers the domain name. Okay. Cherise, what help do you need? Okay, Marie, I will show that in a second, how you do the forward. This will solve your question. Okay, Melvin, you asked for an ebook. I will cover that in the campaign email. This is about the domain name. So it really doesn't matter for this domain. It kind of does matter because you kind of want the domain name what they see that also when you send the email, but it's not really end of the world. So you don't want free cash or something. I don't know, cash, but gold, something like that, huh? So you don't want to put a spam keyword in it. Okay, so it does matter, but not the end of the world. I feel, and somebody actually from your guys suggested that to me. I saw it, and then I added last name to it, and then I think, oh, it's easy for everybody. If you want to contact me, you can text message me, and I will get back to you. You can delete the domain name and get a new one. I will show you in a second. Okay. So I think this covers the domain name. Now I need the first person who I logged in the account. Can you put the email back in the chat so I can log in your account back? I forgot your email address. Also was something I wanted to fix. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, there was something I wanted to fix. Okay, I think everybody will. Your name, yeah, in the email. You got it. Okay. Okay. So click on the pencil. You see here the email is 4269 because we took that from the email. You see this? And it doesn't look good. Huh? It doesn't look good. So you're going to edit. Click on edit. Okay. Edit. And you scroll down to the bottom. Okay, here you see this email. You cannot edit it. You cannot change it. You need to add a new one. Add a new one. And you enter fate or whatever you want. Fate or help. You can also do help. It's actually not bad. Do you like fate or help? Because it here is also fate. But normally I do first name. Because you already have here fate, maybe you want to do help. Or another word, help. Okay, help. Okay, that sounds even better in this case. But normally I do fate or your first name. Okay, you delete the ones you don't need, but leave one. Okay, don't delete everything. Help, and then you click on save. Now you go back. Voila, I think help, but they look better, correct? Help. So this is kind of It's nice for the eye. It's not so spammy. It doesn't have the number in it. Huh? You can do last name. Okay? You can do last name, whatever you want. Okay? This is just one of them. But don't put a number in it. I didn't like the number. Didn't like the number. That is was my biggest problem. Okay? Now, this email, get to that email. And you order 2 tracking numbers. Now, many of you guys have now set up the email. Maybe some of you guys have not, some of you guys have not ordered the tracking number. So you go to pencil, this page, and click on edit. Okay. Then here it will show an orange button. Halfway down, it will show the orange button. Show something like this. Add phone number. You see this? Add phone number. You click on it, and you need 2 tracking numbers. Got it? So you scroll down, and if you haven't ordered 2 tracking numbers, it will show this orange button. You click on it and select 2 tracking numbers. I cannot do this because it has ordered 2 tracking numbers. It shows the 2 tracking numbers. I'm lost. Okay. Go back. You shouldn't be lost. Now, Jackson, did you order the domain name? Okay. You ordered domain name. The next step, you need to order 2 tracking numbers. Okay. Yes, I did. Okay. You come on this page when you click on this icon, but also companies. I always click on the orange, but you can also click on companies. Same thing. Now go to the edit on the left. Okay, edit on the left to edit the info. Now you come on the company page. You know, it has a lot of information already filled out because my account was filled out. Okay, halfway down, you see instant reply phone numbers. Likely, it will show an orange button. Click on that orange button. I have a red color message for email that says not verified. If you just order a domain 2 minutes ago, it will show that message. But in 15 minutes from now, it will not show that message anymore. Here, you see here 2 phone numbers. Okay. If you ordered it. But in your case, okay, Stefan, put a support ticket in it. You cannot enter your existing domain. Okay, I will get back to that. Okay. You see that orange button? Click on it, and then select 2 tracking numbers in it. I enter my personal phone number, and it's now showing me a list of other phone numbers. What do? Select 2 new phone numbers to your like. To the area code to your like. Okay, can be any area code, but likely you want it from the USA because you prospect USA companies. So choose for the country you are prospecting. So if you prospect companies in the United Kingdom, then select United Kingdom tracking numbers. But if you live in the United Kingdom and you prospect USA companies, then select 2 tracking numbers from the United States. If it only comes with 1 number, you can select that number and you can enter another area code, or you select another area code and you get lucky. It doesn't have always enough tracking numbers. So if you have not enough tracking numbers, then you need to put another area code in it. If you like that 1 number, select that number and then add another area code. It's up to you. Okay, so you should, if you haven't, you should see that orange button, get to a screen and you select 2 tracking numbers. Okay, here we go again. Enter done If you have other two tracking numbers, enter help if you still need help with this. Diana, can you detail the help? Okay, can you detail it? What can you explain what the problem is? Did you order the domain? It's above here. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I put in. Yeah, if you need help with the domain name and you don't like the domain name, then I will show you how to delete it. Okay. Oh, send me supporting. I will help you. Okay. Okay. Diana, send me in a if you don't get this help via the support, send me text message, and I will look it up for you. Okay. Okay, and I did it about 10 minutes. How do I do that? Okay, you go to app in reply, and on the left bottom, you see that icon, huh? And then you enter your question. Okay, that will always get to me. Doesn't open, refresh. Should open, maybe not refresh the page. Okay. Now, let's say you want to make a change. You're not happy. Huh? You don't use a .us. .us cannot be ordered with verification. Okay? Down, you cannot order .us. Okay? That is the problem. They want all kind of verification if we use .us. That is not an easy ordering. Okay, now go to domain setting. Can I use the domain name? Yeah, you can. Okay, go to domain setting. Okay, I do not recommend you're going to do it. Okay, I'm only showing if you really hate your domain name. Okay, here's a delete domain button. It is for a purpose. It is in red. It is a purpose. It is red. You see this? If you hate your domain name, you can delete that domain name and you can order a new one. Okay, I'm not recommending you to do that because it's not an easy fix if you did it by accident. If you want a new domain name, you can click on delete domain and you can order a new one. It comes with one for free, okay? And it comes for one. And the next one is probably $10. It's not the end of the world, okay? Okay? It's not end of the world. Okay? It's not the end of the world. But it's $10. If you hate your domain, I would delete it and order a new one. For $10, I would do. But I'm okay. Are we good with that? Everybody understand that you can delete the domain. I'm not recommending you to do it, but there are questions. You go to domain setting and you can delete your domain. Okay? I would not recommend to do it, but you can. Now, on this screen, okay, you go to edit company and you see a domain setting. Okay? Many of you want to click on forward domain. You click on forward domain and here enter your CRTC website URL. Okay, we will set up the forward. So if you already have a website, enter your URL. Got it? Yeah. Correct. So as example, this, okay? Let me get it. This is just an example. This is an example, huh? I spoke about the agency EDC. Okay, so let me move this away. If you like this website and you go, okay, let me follow the steps. You go to the main setting. So you click companies or on the pencil. You click on domain setting and click on forward button. Okay, forward button, forward domain, and okay, okay. I got the okay. I got the URL for this user. Click on save. Okay. Now you see here remove forwarded, but that means it is forwarded. Okay. So you go to company page or the pencil. You see on the right domain setting. Domain setting. Click on it. If here you should see forward domain. Now I forward domain. Cannot do it anymore. You click on it and enter the domain name. If you're clear with it, understand it, or enter help. Okay. If you have problems with the forward, then send us your forward URL and we will enter it for you. One more time, please. Okay. On the company page, on the right, you see domain setting. Then you see a remove forward. You will see a button forward. Huh? And then you click on it and enter the URL. If you need help with it, just submit your URL to support at instant reply and we will do it for you. Okay. A bit confused. Should we use our EC website from EDC Express or Rep? You already have a website from ERTC, then use that. Okay. I don't have remove forward because you probably didn't enter it yet. Or you have linked with Repify. Okay. If it is linked with Repify, then you cannot. So then unlink with Repify. Okay, you can unlink with Repify and enter forward. It's either one. Okay. I will get back to Repify. I'm not going to cover this today. Okay. I'm not going to cover this today. So if you have a website, add forwarder. Okay. Good. Okay. So what you just learned is a lot. Okay. Inside. Okay. Didn't want to show that. Inside support, you see Google Docs. Inside, you see Google Docs. Support Google Docs. Instant reply, quick steps. Okay. Instant reply, quick steps. Now log in. It's my account section, I think. Go to my account. We all did that. Okay, send in support ticket. Then you order the domain name. It is free for $15. Okay. Then I added the contact. If it does not have a website, update your name server. If you order a new domain name, I will get for. Okay. We just learned how to forward. Okay. And then on the companies on top, you click on add a company and you order 2 tracking numbers. I want to see how things are got. Add a company, and then for the email, you want something where it sounds good. Okay. So kind of, especially the first part, I feel is important. Huh? We did that. Huh? We make the email looks nice by add a new email address. Okay. Add new email address. Got it, huh? Okay. I might not have seen your support there. So are we good? This. So we did are we good up to point number 4? Okay, one of you should good see that. Now, on the list page, okay, list page, you need leads. You need leads. Okay, you go to the list, and then you can create a list or you get lead buckets. Okay, if you have your own CSV or you will get it from somebody. Okay, you create a list and you call it. Okay, you can give it any name. Okay, any name. Let me go back. Create list. Go to list. Create list. Okay, and then we do CSV file. Nature. Give it a name that you know where the list is about. Okay, now the list name is created. Now you go to action and then upload CSV contacts. Action. And then you choose your file and you follow the screen. Got it? Everybody clear if you have your own CSV file with leads? Clear, yeah, thank you. Now, you might not have your own CSV file. You might want to have leads. You go to back to list and click on leads. List, leads. Now, the easiest way of all those options, are two easy ways, leads and lead bucket. So lead bucket is an easy way to get leads. Select list. Okay, add a new list. Okay, let's say I want, shall I do Florida restaurant? Or we can do time zone. I kind of like time zone to get a real huge bucket. Okay, so EST time zone restaurants. Okay, I'm not good. The guy needs to help me with that. It's EST restaurant at Boston or New England. Okay, update bucket, and then you're going to select restaurant. Okay, now you select Georgia. Give me some other states, which are New York. Okay, you select just a couple. Massachusetts. Where are you? Select the ones you kind of like. Okay. Then let me save this. Now you're saying, Jack, I make the mistake. I want also another state. You click on update bucket. You come back in the screen and then you select another state. Okay. Everybody get how to create a lead bucket list? Clear or not clear? No? Okay. We'll do it again. So you go to list, leads. There are different leads. I will cover them. I will cover a couple, not all. Okay, one of them is lead bucket. Sharon, can you ask that question a little bit later? Lead bucket? Not clear. I have 3 lists. Do you want them? You have 3 CSV files, correct, Joe? You have 3 CSV, or you mean you have here 3? Okay, you click here. Either you select one which you like, or you add a new name. Or you select the ones you already have. Okay. If you want to create a new one, create an add new list. If you say I want to update a new CSV file, an update list. Okay. And then you and then select another state. Got it? Now, lead bucket is a very easy way to get leads. Okay? Another source is Home Advisor. So if you go to Home Advisor, those are all home contractors, Home Advisor. I think they changed the name. Home Advisor. Okay, Home Advisor. NG bought them. But those are all businesses who are listed on Home Advisor, home contractors. Okay. Now we collected those. Are these lists cleaned to result bounds? Yes, they are all cleaned. Okay, didn't want to do that. Those are all Home Advisor. Okay, so click leave all niches, leave all cities, and just select the state you want the list for. Okay, it's kind of the only thing you want to select, the state. Diana, I get your question, okay? But I need to finish my story, okay? Okay, so select the state if you want to leave all cities and all niches. Can we send out one list since I have, can we? Yeah, it will send 100 a day. It will not send 1,000 a day. So if you have 1,000 contacts on a list, first day, let's say this will send 100. Okay. Everybody clear the source of Home Advisor leads. They come from Home Advisor. Those are Home Advisor. They rotate. And I'm always work on new subject lines, and you want to use the latest email template. You can run multiple campaigns, but each campaign has one list. You can run multiple campaigns, but each campaign has one list. Okay, just start with one. Okay, Brandon, I don't know what you did, but can you take a screenshot and then send it to support? So I will get back to limits, but in the campaigns we have statistics, and you can follow that. Okay, so this is for Home Advisor. I think small one works with 1099s and not W2. I don't know. So ask Brian if that's a good source. Okay, then my second favorite. So first favorite is Leadbucket. Okay, the second favorite is all. Here you can select certain niche. Okay, leave all cities and select the state. So select the niche and select the state. Let's say Florida. Save, and select the niche, like single restaurant. Okay, restaurant. You can do actually all restaurant, not? So let's do multiple niches. Restaurant, but there are so many restaurant types. Okay, single niche. We don't have restaurants here. Okay, we need to add restaurants. Okay, we will add restaurants here. That's my second favorite. Now, if you say the niche is not added, click on requests, and then select country, state, and enter cities or the state and your niche. So lead bucket, all requests. Okay, lead bucket, all requests. Each have its own interface, but that is the lead source. If you say, Jack, I'm not technical, I didn't follow, and those, use lead bucket. Lead bucket is easy interface. Okay, just use lead. Okay. What did we say? New York. Okay. Oh, here's EST. Okay, we don't need this. Sorry. We have EST restaurants. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we have Georgia. We all have this. Okay. Now, where are we? The first thing, list. Okay, we should have list now. Okay. Now it means those leads. So if you select lead buckets, okay, those leads will not get automatically uploaded. You only upload the leads which you are going to use. So if you use 100 a day, add 100 a day. Make sense? So because we don't want you to give everybody the same leads. Okay. 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 The one I use also for this webinar, your login email, Charles. Okay. If you have a CSV list and upload, the system edit out and there's someone else use. No. If you upload CSV file, we don't share them. We don't use your lead for somebody else. Okay. Okay, Diana, if we have a CSV list and upload it, edit out any that someone else used, no, we will not filter them. No. But Google Ads tab, yeah, but it's not really only related to ERTC. So it's more if you want to offer paid advertising. This will be recorded, and the next day, typically, we will send out the recording. How do we get the EC leads to come over to instant reply side? Upload as a CSV. Okay. Think that covers it for today. Now, you go to campaign. We learned that Faith want to do restaurant, okay? So I kind of have a pretty good idea. You see here, order domain name is checked, update companies checked, set up campaign. So create campaign. Create campaign. Everybody follow this? Let me go back. So this is the last step. Click on campaign in the top menu and click on create campaign button. Okay. Everybody follow this? Go to campaign in the top menu and create campaign button. Create campaign. Okay. Give the name. So ESD. Okay, select the list. Okay. You can leave it at 30, kind of like 100. Okay, and then so now we have this, and then on the right bottom, you see next. Okay, let me go to the description. On the campaign sheet, click on campaign button. They'll give the name and select the niche you created, and then select on next. Okay, next. Click on next. Everybody clear? Name, list, next. Scroll down. If you want to create your campaign from scratch, I will do the voice drop later, not today. If you want to create it yourself, click on start from scratch. Likely, many of you guys want to use a template. So click on use template and then search on the service you're going to provide. Many of you guys use ETC. But it works for SEO, Google My Business, it works for many services. But in this case, many of you guys are interested in ETC. Now, we have If you have problems with your email server and you want to make sure they like your emails and get opened, then use this campaign. This is brand new, and really has the content business owners like. Okay, and easy based on prospect struggles, but also work. But it describes more where they had problems with. Okay, storytelling is about an email with is written on a different way and tells a story about that you helped a client and you can do the same for them. And it is our first campaign which we had now a half year ago. So I will use this is my favorite one, but you just create you just select one what you think fits with you. Let's say you use this one, I give it a example, and you don't have results or not, you just create a new campaign with another. Okay, can we read them? Now I don't have a view. That we don't have, but it's not so hard to delete them. But I don't have a view at this point. Okay, and I click on use. I can only click one time and use. Okay, search on EHC, use. Okay, actually, I want to use this one. Use. Now that campaign, that template, get inserted in your account. See, name number 3. Now, first, I kind of like that you go for campaign data. That means that if there's any merge field is used, it will find the info. You click on my campaign data and everything is filled out. So that's good. So all those merge field tokens, they have something. Now I'm going to get some data. Okay. And phone number. For the data doesn't change, I like just to use my data instead of merge fields. Okay, that looks good. You can save it or cancel. Now you click on edit. Edit. Make sure the email start at the top. Okay, and then you see this nice email. Nice email. Everywhere it says my. I'm going to change it with real info. Harold, that means supporting. I will create one for you. If there's no campaign for your service, you can send a support ticket and I will create one for it. It's not hard. Okay. So I need the link. I didn't let me save this. I need the website link again. So let me go. Did it save back? Okay. And I go to here, and this is the forward is not set up, but this will be the website link. Okay. It is not set up. It takes time. Because this domain will get forward to. It will not show now, but once it is set up, it will show. Okay. Once the forward is set up, this will work. Not now because you just it supports full HTML, but they don't get better results if you think. So now we have this campaign and it's not done yet. So I can click edit again. Somebody asked, how can I edit the campaign? Click on edit on the left. Okay, go to campaign screen, edit. Now you see there's email number 1. Click on edit. Now there's always tricky. So what I do is always Control F. This is how I do it, and click. Okay, click. Let's see if there needs to be click here. My website. So my first name, my last name, I will not make this too complicated. Okay. Well, my company. I forgot to write out the company name. What is your company name again? Huh? Okay. Phone number, tracking phone number, my company website. Now, what I do, okay, this is actually a nice website name. But if you don't like your website name, then shall click here. Okay, so here, highlight it, scroll up a little bit, and go here and enter. Now I need to read it. Dear prospect company, you see now I'm addressing merge fields. So I'm addressing my first name and last name. Okay. From company. Is that your company, Fate name? I don't know what your company name is at the moment. Okay. For Venture Inc. Yeah. I got your company name. See it. Okay. I wanted to let you know about your recent updates and opportunity regarding tax credits and benefit prospect companies. Good. As a local business owner, the challenge it can be to navigate exchange and landscape of tax regulation. I would do this bold line to read a little bit. Okay, and then I do this. But you can do it import. It makes it a little bit easier to read. The B. That's why our team of experts is here to help with that. For my tax return to get started, simply reply to this email or give us a call at my phone number. Everything we have my is it works with Massfield, but I don't like it. Also visit our website. Here's my website. Okay, here I would do click here. Why do that? Because it's a call to action. Call to action. Okay. Click here for more information about ourselves to see how we have other businesses like yours. Don't miss out on this valuable tax skills to find out how we can help prospect company or your business. Okay, and the last name. Okay, and then that pull back my company. Now highlight everything and then choose Arial 14. So that is done. Save. We're almost done. Almost. Okay, here. Scroll down and click on Use Template. Search on ETC and choose any of the. I have 5, I think. Now click on My Campaign Data and check if all the fields have info. Next, click on Edit for each email and check and update emails. Save changes in between. Add a total of 5 subject lines. Okay. Now you can hear I would do A/B split testing. Go back to your campaign and I click on Edit. You see add more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you just start. All are good. All are good. So just select a couple. All are good. Since this is restaurants, I don't need to change the niche. But if your niche is different, I would change it. Now there is one thing we learned we can do better. Use use for every subject line a merge field. Okay, your W get you ESG funding. So get your employees, your company W employees. Okay, you funding, good news. That's great for. I think it's even powerful if you do the company name. Did you get additional funds? Now save. Good. Now we need to do that for every email. Okay. You can add more emails. I always start with 3 emails and see how it works out. Okay. But you can add more emails. Day 3, added. Let me take a screenshot. Okay. Okay. Then prospect company. Okay. To recap, kind of like capital. My company. I need that. Prospect company is good. You can give a call. Here's my phone number. Or visit company website. Click here. Scroll up a little bit. And then the website name. Prospect company is good. My first and last name. My company, my phone, and company website. Here, because the website is pretty nice, okay, you can show the website name. If your website is long or you think it doesn't look good, you click on click here and enter this icon and click on this. Now we want to highlight everything. So now you want to save it. Save. Okay, now we want to add subject lines. Click on edit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you go to your resources. Insert click start. I will show in the link. No, actually here it is. It actually is here too. Here's also subject lines. But if you go to the instant reply quick start steps, okay, add in total 5 email subject lines. You see here, click here. Click here. And here's the file. Okay, and then you add 5 new ones. 5 new ones. You still have to read them, but you get a head start. And see if they have your niche name, if they have the merge fields. Now, if you just like them. Okay, I like that every field from prospect company. Do you have 50 minutes to find out if you qualify? If company name qualifies, did you apply for your payroll tax for, I don't think payroll. Okay, good. Save. Now the second email is done. And now we do the third email. Okay, company, prospect company, kind of like to break the email. Our my company, that's very complicated, and you can help prospect company. Okay, I reply to this email. Give me call, my phone, visit website. I think I didn't do that in the previous email. Click here. We have to go back. Click here. And then enter the website link. Prospect company, reach out, my first or last name. My company, my phone number, and the website name, either or the website name. And you will click save. Okay, so now we have, and now we're going to add subject. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. Okay, it doesn't matter which one you take, just a different one. So they don't see the same line as they had before. They will not, because you use a merge field in the subject line. But you want kind of variation. Okay. Now, prospect company. Find out if qualifies. I'm getting more careful. Good. Save. Okay. Now there is You can do more, the voice message and so, but we will do that another time. Okay? I want you to get going. And every time when I add something, you say this overwhelming. So I'm not doing that today. But the forward needs to get set up. So as soon as the forward set up, oh, I need to update second email because I didn't do that, I think, for my website. Oh yeah, I did. Click here. That's good. I thought I didn't do that. Good. Okay. Oh, Faye did it. Okay. See, we work together. Now, your company. Now, this is the deal, Fate. Where is edit? I'm not really like this company name. Okay, with 77. Where is 77 come from? Maybe I'm missing something. Where is 77 coming from? The website will do another time. I can do anything. I cannot do all in one training. So where is this 77 coming? Maybe I missed something. So that was my point. My account. What does that mean? My account from Brian or so? Okay. Okay. So maybe. Yeah, I know, but okay. How my company name is I don't know. I would something like that. Okay. That is why I left it as token because I'm not I didn't like the 77. That's my thing. Everything else. So now when I click save, it is updated in all places. That was the trick. So now you understand my trick. So I left it as a merge field. See, I left it as a merge field. Okay. And then, okay. Okay, I have to drag it down. Pause by company. That's how I know it's automatically updated. Now, if you don't have a real company name, I will not use add LLC or Inc. after that. That is kind of not correct, I think. You can use, nice name. As long as it sounds okay. And likely your company sounds okay, but you kind of want to see, what does the other end think about it. Huh? Somebody who reads your email about ear disease and they see your company name, do you think they will trust you? You can update the company name to your like. Huh? You go to my campaign data and you enter to your like. And it will be updated on all places because I left it as a merge field. Good. Now, I realize that we have not done all the bells and whistles. Okay? We didn't create the voice message. We didn't create a text message. Huh? So that will we do coming Thursday, in 2 days from now. What I'd like you to do is get to this step. Okay? Follow everything what is in this document. Okay? Set up my account. You log in. It's very important. Okay. Set up the company. Okay. Or the domain name. If you want to use your own domain name and have not a website in it, okay, then enter this. Okay. I will give you that document. I will also show you how to get there in a second. Okay. Then if you have a website, set the forward up. Okay. Then click on edit company button and order to tracking numbers. And you should see that orange button. Support at instant reply. Instant reply and put support at in front of it. Then make your email address looks nice, okay? Like first name or help. Huh? Actually, I also like help, but it doesn't matter to me as long as it looks kind of nice. Okay. Then click on list. Get a list. If you have no clue, use the lead bucket. Click a campaign. Get the name and select the list and click on next. And then use a template. So there's here to see and update that template. And here get subject lines ID. Inside Reply, go to support and Google Docs. Support and Google Docs. And then you see the top one, Insert by Quick Step. Click on it and then open that document we just discussed. Now, who are action takers? Enter yes or no. Okay, all action takers are like you coming Thursday to have a campaign set up. Doesn't matter if it's good or not good. You can always update it, huh? You can always. I want you to get your hands dirty. Okay? You might run into a problem. That is fine. That is where support is for. Okay? That is where support is for. Expand on this training. We will review the campaign and we can add a voice drop message to it. That's kind of the goal. Okay? The link for next Thursday is always the same. I'm a very simple person. Okay? I do things standardize everything. /AMM2 is always the same. It's always the same. AMM2. Very good. So that is next in 2 days, Thursday, same time. Okay. So Tyron, did you set up different subject lines? Okay, good. Good. You can be happier about yourself. Okay. So with that said, I really thank you for all you guys participated today and follow the steps. Okay. Then I'd like you to come back on Thursday, 2 p.m., same time as you came on today. I don't know which time zone yet, same time. Now, if you need help to log in or something to me, send support and we will do our best. Of course, you have to understand we get at the moment, because we so many signed up, we get a lot of support, a lot of help. So give us some reliance, but we will do our best. And then we will expand on coming Thursday. If you say this went a little bit too fast, tomorrow morning I have the replay, and try to follow the steps in your pace so that on Thursday you have a campaign set up. Okay? With that said, I thank you for your time and see you coming. Thank you so much.